We are here today to talk about democratic citizenship education and how to implement it into your classroom. It is a set of practices and activities for equipping students to play an active part in democratic life and exercise their rights and responsibilities within society. It has an emphasis towards participatory culture and conscientization. First, let us take a look at the meaning and history. The main difference between participatory culture and conscientization is that conscientization is being aware of and responsive to inequalities and issues within society, whereas participatory culture is collectively taking action towards these issues. One of the main contributors to participatory culture was Henry Jenkins, whose ideology is the notion that it involves a reciprocal relationship between individual agency and collective action in the community through low barriers, creating and sharing, mentorship, meaningful contributions, and social connections. Jenkins' forms of participatory culture implemented into the 21st century can be described as affiliations like Facebook, expressions such as fan fiction writing, collaborative problem solving, for instance developing new knowledge through Wikipedia, and circulations, for example podcasting and blogging. Paulo Freire coined the term conscientization, which embodies action and learning as critical processes which depend upon realizing problems and being aware of oppression. Its goal is to create students' individual agency and the development of a democratic society. Conscientization is linked with the theory of education as the practice of freedom to create a situation of social justice and equality. Paulo Freire used conscientization in the city of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, where the oppression of classes was a social reality. The individual agency was created by people within the favelas to start a process of change in order to gain the circumstances where they could have access to basic rights such as education. Freire has now spread the process of conscientization through institutions all over the world, and so can teachers by implementing it into classrooms. The contributions of participation and conscientization allow teachers to empower students and show real-world examples of how students can work collectively to remove barriers and social injustices in their communities. Students can make a difference by realizing a social injustice, sharing knowledge, and enacting a change.
Created using Powtoon.